This 5-minute solution will show you how to appear offline on Instagram. So if you don't want to share your online status or activity status, you can disable your online status to appear offline. Follow these simple steps to do it. Launch your Instagram. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on this three-line icon at the top right. Settings and privacy. Scroll down. Tap on messages and story replies. Tap on show activity status. And to appear offline, all you have to need just disable show activity status. That's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.